Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your computer when you click a button? Let's break it down. Think of the motherboard as the city's entire road system, connecting all the different districts and buildings. It's the main circuit board, a complex network of electrical pathways that allows every component, from the CPU to the GPU, to send signals and data to each other at incredible speeds. First up, the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. This is the powerful brain of the computer. It performs billions of calculations per second to execute commands and run the programs you use. Every click, every key press, is a command that the CPU processes. When you open an application, the CPU is what does the heavy lifting of processing that request. Next is Random Access Memory, or RAM. Think of this as the computer's workbench. It's super fast, short-term memory. It holds the data for the applications that are currently running, allowing the CPU to access it instantly. When you're working on a file or running a program, the data is stored in RAM for quick access. But when you turn off the computer, RAM forgets everything. That's where storage comes in. This is the computer's long-term memory, like a vast library. It can be a traditional hard drive with spinning disks, or a much faster solid-state drive SSD with no moving parts. This is where your operating system, all your applications, and personal files are stored permanently. It's where your files, applications, and the operating system are kept safely, even when the power is off. Finally, the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. This is the artist. The GPU is a specialized processor that takes complex data from the CPU and turns it into the smooth images, videos, and 3D animations you see on your screen. It's like having thousands of tiny artists all working at once to paint the picture. It's essential for gaming, video editing, and any visually intensive task. So, when you run a program, the CPU fetches it from storage, loads it into RAM, and then executes the instructions. The motherboard ensures they all work in harmony, while the GPU renders the visuals. All these components work together to bring your digital world to life. Subscribe to Infotech and DEV by caitech.com for more educational explainers, science animations, and short lessons that make learning fun.